Today is March 15th. We're here at Hildebrand Machinery. We're going to do a brief video of our Fadal VMC 653550. It's a 50 taper machine. Machine's made in 2002. Has a Fadal control on it, 7,500 RPM, and we'll run through a program that we have put in it. Control. Inside of the cabinet. Our chip conveyor, that is not plugged in for this video, but it is functional, be guaranteed to work. Okay, we're gonna hit cycle start, and you'll see it do various tool changes, movements. It'll step up RPM to high speed. That should be 1,000 RPM to start. That's 2,000 RPM. Just peck drilling. Gear shift, we're at 3,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. Five. 6. That's 7,500. Drop back to 1,000 RPM. So we're just doing some feed movements here. And that's the end of our program. So that'll give you the basic rundown on it. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we will be happy to help. Thank you.